In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new product slash service in Jobber. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill out, and how to save a clean, accurate item you can reuse on quotes and invoices. Start by opening Jobber in your web browser and signing in to your account. From your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner. Click the gear-shaped settings icon, then choose settings from the menu. This takes you into the area where you control how your account is set up. Inside settings, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of configuration options. Select products and services. This is your catalog, the central place where you store the items your team will add to work, quotes, and invoices. Next, click Add Item. You'll be asked to choose the item type. Pick whether this is a product, such as materials or parts you supply, or a service, like labor-based work you perform. Choosing the correct type helps with reporting and keeps your catalog organized. Enter the name of the product or service, make it specific and consistent with your team's naming style so it's easy to search later. For example, include size, variant, or a brief qualifier if you commonly stock similar items. Add a clear description. This is what your team and clients will see, so write it in plain language. Mention what's included, any limitations, and relevant details like unit of measure or expected time. A good description reduces back and forth and sets the right expectations. Now add the cost. This is your internal cost to provide the item, what you pay for the product, or the estimated internal cost for the service, such as labor and materials. Keeping costs up to date helps you price accurately and maintain your margins. Enter your markup. This is the percentage you add on top of your cost to cover overhead and profit. Choose a markup that reflects your pricing strategy. If your costs fluctuate, consider a markup that gives you a consistent margin across similar items. Add the unit price. This is the price your client sees. If you have a standard price for this item, enter it here. For services, align the unit price with how you bill, per hour, per visit, or per unit, so it fits seamlessly on quotes and invoices. When everything looks correct, click Create. Your new product or service is now saved to your catalog and ready to use. You can always return to this page to edit details as your pricing or descriptions evolve.